Hey, it's Tom again from Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got some more information on this Zenith 7000 from Jeff. I found a manual online after I did the previous video, which gave me a lot of information. I had some misinformation that I gave you. I want to correct it. Number one, the earphone jack is right there. The jack that I pointed out in the back is the output of the radio. Not sure exactly what that is and didn't find any details, but that's the difference. Also, let me see if I can light it up for you. Also, this button right here is either in the tuning mode, which is the default, and this is a meter. Or you can push it momentarily to the right and it will show you the battery level. See? Fully charged batteries. Well, that's because I just bought brand new batteries. Also, let me turn that light off. It's a little too much. Also, this is a chart light, not a dial light. And if you have these charts out, you can flip this up carefully and it has a light. Now, I haven't figured out how to get the light to come on. If it might be the little bulb is burnt out. So, but there is a light. Okay. Also, I think there is a backlight, but I've already forgotten how to enable it. I think when you do this to check the battery, it should come on, but it doesn't. So that might be burnout and this might be burnout, or I'm doing it wrong, which typically that's about what it usually is. I'm doing something wrong. So anyway, I wanted to at least give you that additional information about the earphone jack being here. The one in the back is the radio output. I'm not sure what that's used for. And I want to thank Jeff once again, and I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.